فلوس عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي.
Mind blowing.
So we are in Hyderabad and we have come to explore this Winter Utsav Mela in Necklace Road. This is located just opposite to the People's Plaza and looks like the entry ticket is just 100 rupees. So let's see what we can explore with this ticket.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we are all ready to go inside. We got our tickets. So this Utsav Mela is going to be till 18 Jan. So what we realized is cash counter has 0 line to take the tickets, but the UPI counter is like full. Let me show you.
And also we've come on a Saturday. I think that's why there's a lot of crowd.
So this is the weekend crowd.
Yeah, and probably if you come on a weekday, you might expect a slightly lesser crowd.
Yeah, true. Yeah, this is the best part. Let's go inside the waterfall.
Okay.
Guys, look at this amazing waterfall with so much disco light.
So just at the entrance they have a DJ and also they have this beautiful waterfall. I think the DJ is on full josh. He's only playing the trending songs. So far so good.
عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي دوس عندي خوش.
There's more to go and check out inside. So let's head inside and see what else do we have. Now it says welcome to Antarctica zone. So we are entering the Antarctica zone. Go inside. It has a snow vibe. Wow guys, they've set up this so beautifully.
Yeah, the vibe is so good.
Literal snow vibe. And look at this. Let me show you. Wow, these are the Antarctic fur seal. Let me show you the rhino. Okay, let's go to the polar bear side. Wow, look at this. Oh, that exhaust fan is giving me a cool breeze. It actually feels like we're in Antarctica. Guys, whenever we come out, my husband has always been asked to take pictures of others. So they're ending this with the dinosaur. So this is the entire view of the Antarctic zone. It's cool for the kids. So this is the end of the zone. It has this Antarctic vibe. So let's go check out the shopping.
Oh, looks like you're going to love this area. Let me see what all. So they have plenty of options for women clothing, winter wear, daily accessories, wide range of footwear and traditional outfits. And I think this side they have a lot of options for toy stalls for kids.
Guys, the favorite spot for all the girls, especially for me.
Not for boys.
Not for boys, right? Wow, these are the ones that I've taken. It's really cool. The cream one. They have many variety here. It's a shopping paradise for women who love jute.
क्या चीज़ आपका? और वीडियो में दिख रहा ऑफर लगा यार ऐसा नहीं पाएंगे।
Hey, I really like this.
150 रुपए।
Hey, how is this? I want this.
On this jacket also it goes. Unique है on the.
थैंक यू पापा।
Okay, this is a spiral kind of bangle. I really liked it. It looks cool on me.
Yeah, it looks good. Guys, trust me, whenever you see such zone, try to escape as soon as possible. This spot is definitely not for us. Yeah, actually this blue one looks good. We'll take one, this blue one and this red one. Yeah, good for kitchen carpet.
So far the shopping experience has been great. We've taken a lot of footwear, carpet and so many dresses. So it's been a lot of shopping. So
Good experience for women,
good experience for women, but
not for men.
not for men if they're spending. Finally the zone we all were waiting for. Let's pay and go inside.
ప్రాణాలతో చెలగాటం 50 రూపీస్ 50
Yeah, I'm super excited. Can't wait. We're at the right time. not sure how he did it, but it was really amazing. Especially the round that he took when he sat without holding anything. That was literally mind blowing.
So that was just a teaser. Looks like the best parts are yet to come. Wow, look at the view from this stunt show area. I can actually see a 360 view of this entire carnival. Also, if you're an adventure seeker, I think you can try this Columbus giant wheel and these other rides.
So that's the shooting game. I hit 2 out of 5. There's so many other games. So this is the basketball game. And if you win, you'll win that heart. So how many chances do you have?
So I have 4 chances and I have to put the ball in the basket for all the 4 chances.
Okay. I think I play better. Okay, let me try.
Okay, not bad. Somebody told me it is very simple.
I did 1 goal. Alright, those 2 games were like complete flop. So I think we might have a luck to try the archery.
Yeah, I tried my best to give you the heart. Why don't you try the archery? Go for it, very close.
Okay, go for it. Try for 4. Try for 4. Wow, what a shot! What a shot! Almost there, almost there. Focus, focus. Okay, let me try.
Hello, focus. Focus, anta fast kaadu. Easy. Oh.
That's why they kept this game, so that we don't win.
Yeah, try. Oh, not bad. They put a challenge for you now. Go for it. Oh.
Almost.
Well done. Looks like they have plenty of food options here. Let me see what they have. Okay, so they have snacks, chaats, Chinese dishes and kebabs. Oh, plenty of options for vegetarians and non-vegetarians.
Yeah, trying out some pav bhaji and veg manchuria. Alright, that was our experience from the Winter Utsav Mela. So overall, we've purchased a ticket for 100 rupees. But if you ask me, that's just the entry fee. However, if you want to enjoy the games and do a lot of shopping, you definitely need a lot of cash. It's an amazing place for women for shopping. It has everything. And for kids, trust me, all the games are amazing. Okay, so for me, the top best things that I liked in this exhibition was, I think, the archery game. Because I played well.
Yeah, you played well.
That's the reason I like it. But if you ask me, I like the waterfall. It has a very good vibe when you enter. I think the main exhibition part where you have the Columbus and the other games and this show, the bike show, I enjoyed. And what about you?
I like the waterfall I like that dance floor also. They had all trending songs that were playing, and the DJ part was nice. I loved that car and bike stunt show. I don't know what it is called, but that stunt show was good. Actually, when I saw it in that song, that Hanuman Kind song, I was thinking, how did they actually do this? So, but when I saw it live, it is completely different. And when people were getting out of the car to collect the cash, and when people were trying to do some stunts, like, you know, one person kept both the feet out of that bike, and then he's just trying to wave at people and then collect that cash. So I think that entire experience for me, and with 50 rupees ticket, you're getting that sort of a stunt show. So I like that. I mean, I felt that was worth. Games, of course, we played well. I couldn't give
Who
you
played
heart.
well?
Games you played well. I couldn't
We
buy
did.
you a heart, but you have my heart. So
Okay,
I
thank
think
you.
I compensate that way.
And the worst game was the ring game.
Ring
Both
first.
of us wasted money.
First at ring, I was focusing on that 4.
Trust me,
But
we both
then-
wasted money
yeah,
because
ring-
we were unable to hit the spot.
Ring was money wasting. Even I
Yeah.
agree. But archery very close. I thought you'll definitely hit that yellow spot and then you'll win the prize. But archery was good.
So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.